Good morning, dear viewers across the globe. This is News and Views, where facts meet analysis for a clearer Nigeria. I'm Simon Fabio. This morning, we are reviewing the news headlines: why Ogun retirees oppose Abiodun's CPS. This news item needs our viewpoints because of its potential institutional damage. The more retirees continue to protest or to express frustration, the more tempting it becomes for active civil servants to embezzle public funds. So whatever the agitation is, whatever their complaint is, the government should quickly look into the matter and find lasting solution, so that the patriotism of the esteemed civil servants will not be put into unnecessary test. Now, what does the Ogun retirees want? They want to return to an old system by which they collect their pension and gratuity. They claim that it is more reliable, certain, and of long-term benefits. Now, let's break it down. It will be recalled that in July 2025, Governor Abiodun's government, in a meeting with organized labor, promised to start paying retirees pension and gratuity through contributory pension scheme. Both the government and retirees were in agreement at that time. Now, it is surprising that the retirees are out again, saying that they don't want that system, that prefer going back to the old system. Or if government insists on the CPS, then that should start in the next 14 years, that is 2040. So what do they say they don't want? They don't want CPS because, according to them, it reduces their monthly pension. Yes, the gratuity is bigger than that of the DPS, but they said it's not reliable. It's not certain that under the old system, which is defined pension scheme, they were dealing directly with the government. But under CPS, they are going to have a fund manager, a kind of third-party intermediary, that they don't want that. So they want to continue in relating directly with the government. They gave an instance that if a civil servant collected 200,000 as his last payment, that going by the principle and policy of the DPS, as pension, such individual will be collecting about 140,000 naira, which is approximately 70% of his last salary. Unlike what is obtainable under the CPS, the CPS can only afford about 1/3 of the last payment of such pension, meaning that he will be going home between 60 to 90% of his last payment, which was 400,000 naira. So pensioners are not comfortable with that. They are insisting that for their good reversion, government should return to DPS, a situation where they are collecting about between 3 to 5 million naira as gratuity, continue to collect 70% of their last salary, and a stable, certain, reliable system. So in summary, the retirees will be saying that say why the APS and CPS can offer immediate higher benefits. They prioritize steady, predictable, long-term, lifelong income over short-term gains. Second, most affected are already retired or nearing their retirement. These make them less attracted to a new system that will affect their financial security. Fourthly, under DPS, retirees enjoy predictable monthly payments that can last decades. For many of them, this certainty outweighs their pain of a higher one-time payout. So, as a resident of Ogun State, what is your opinion? Are you of the mindset that what the government wants should prevail, or the best interest of the retirees should be carefully considered so that the patriotism of those in active service will not be tempted unnecessarily. Let us meet at the comment section and hear your comments. Until tomorrow, when we come your way, this is News and Views, where facts meet analysis for a clear Nigeria. I'm Simon. Thanks for watching.